Welcome back to Bling My Bike. Today we're checking in with Chase and Brandon to see where they're at with Modification 1. Let's go. Hey Brandon, how's it going?
Good, Chantel.
I am here to check in with you on the bottle cage. How's it going?
So it's going great. I've actually already got a couple prototypes made. I'm
Okay.
going with especially because of my frame design and just general prevalence in the community, I'm going with a side loading design. So you can peel it in and out just like this.
So you don't have to slide it up. Okay.
Yeah, so there's a bunch of stuff above my frame here, so all I have to do is
Oh.
took inspiration from the cage I've used in the past.
Okay, that's very cool. And is there a particular reason you decided with this honeycomb kind of holey structure?
Looks cool. It's additive manufacturing uses lattices a lot of times to lightweight parts, conserve material use, and just generally make things look a little different. There are other advantages, but those are the main reasons. I think it looks really cool, and it is a bit lighter.
It is, and what's the difference between these two? They look slightly different colored.
Yeah, so this one's made out of Tough 1500, which is a springier, more durable resin.
Okay.
You can tell that one doesn't really break, although it does take a lot longer to print. It's a little more intensive to print. This is the gray resin. It's a little sharper. It's actually a little stiffer. I'd actually prefer this material.
Oh yeah, I see that.
But as you can tell, I've already broken this. I broke this pretty much immediately on its first ride.
So great for a prototype.
Yes.
And great for detail, but not necessarily the strength you need.
Yep, I can even, like this one, I really like the way that it behaves, but I mean.
Oh, yeah. But this
you don't really
stuff
have to try very hard.
Isn't going anywhere.
No, it's not. You can really get at this stuff, and it's not gonna break.
Awesome, that's great. Okay, love that. Printed on the Form 3. Do you roughly know how much time that one took?
So this one took a while. It was about 17 hours.
Oh, okay, but still, you have a brand new bottle cage in less than a day. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, and it's usable.
All right, well, I'm liking what I'm seeing here. I'm excited to check back with you next week on Mod 2, but I'm gonna go see how Chase is doing, and we'll follow up.
Sounds good.
Good work.
Thank you.
Hey, Chase, how's it going?
Not too bad. How about you?
Doing well. Ooh, look at these. These are some pretty designs.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, what happened here?
Had a little trouble when I was getting that into preform. I didn't quite set it up the right way, and it moved a bit when it was printing.
Gotcha, but I take it it's normally pretty easy.
Yeah, I just wanted to customize it a little bit and
gotcha.
Tried a little too hard.
I can't believe the detail on these trees. That's crazy. Which resin is this in?
That's the gray resin. It's pretty versatile. You can print a lot of things in it. It prints quick, but it is a little brittle. So you can see this one was starting to crack a bit here. And I had another prototype that I actually put on my bike and rode a little bit with it. But that kind of shattered a little bit.
Yeah,
so,
but are you going to print it in something a little bit stronger on the Form 3?
Yeah, I'll be printing the next one in some Tough 1500.
I've heard that stuff's amazing.
Yeah, it should turn out pretty well.
The thing that I love about the Form 3 is just that it's got such a wide material base, so you really can cover any needs. And I mean, the detail on these trees is just truly impressive.
Yeah, definitely.
So I might have you do a little mountain scene for me later on something else that I need, but that's a different conversation. So what were some design challenges you had with this specific layout? Because Brandon talked to me about how, you know, he chose his for strength from like a honeycomb style design. What about you?
Yeah, so I kind of just, saw a picture of a tree I liked and wanted to go with it. Went a little more of an artistic way with this than the actual
How did you incorporate the tree? Did you just design it yourself, or did you like take an image? Like, how did that work?
Yeah, I used an image and then used the trace function in SolidWorks and traced all the different branches in it.
Brilliant. And this one is a top load?
Yep, top or side, just kind of pops in there. And this one fits a little weird. I had to put, you can see this gap there, so there's a little more release. But fits in there pretty well.
Yeah.
So yeah, overall, I'm hoping this will perform a little better and hopefully won't break, especially in the Tough 1500.
Well, all this talk about water bottle holders and whatnot is making me hungry. So let's eat. Brandon!
Hey, we got Big Bear Deli here today. I'm actually really excited to review this stuff. I got a number 13.
Yeah, I got the Turkey Bacon Ranch Melt. So let's go ahead and get into this. I like the wrapping, the custom paper here.
Yeah, this is really
double wrapping it so
really
you're not
good.
soaking through the paper here.
Feels quality, looks quality.
Ooh, there we go. Usually I order things without onions, but figured let's go for it.
That's good. I really like their honey mustard. They make it themselves, right?
Oh yeah, that's definitely very good. It's a good meshing of flavors here. The onions aren't overwhelming. Usually they get kind of, you know, bitter or too much onion in there, but it's pretty good here. It goes well with the tomatoes.
The bacon?
Oh yeah.
On their menu, the entire bacon section, there's like an entire bacon section. Just sandwiches with bacon.
I like the panini sourdough, for sure. Bread doesn't get in the way, but it doesn't fall apart either. Yeah, I'm glad they're so close here in Post Falls, right next to where we work, kind of.
No, it's a solid 8 out of 10. Big Bear makes a good sandwich.
Yeah, I'd give them a 9 out of 10.
I probably got to stick with that too. A 9 out of 10 is a very good sandwich.